All right, let's go over example 2, dividing decimals. And this is part of chapter 2, section 6, dividing decimals. First, we're going to find 18.2 divided by 1.4. So I have it set up here for long division. Our first step, so you see how both of our numbers have decimals. The first step is we're going to move the decimals over to the right so that this number here is a whole number. Okay, and every time we move it to the right, it's like we multiply both numbers by 10. But the important thing for you to remember is you're going to move it over as many spaces to the right so that this number here on the left is a whole number. Okay, so this has turned into 14, right, because there's going to be a decimal point. And then now this number is going to be 182 instead of 18.2. Okay, and we move it as many steps to the right as we need so that this number is a whole number. So if we move one step to the right, we move one step to the right for both of our numbers. Okay, and then we put our decimal point on top, just like that. And then we go ahead and start dividing like we did last time. Okay, so let's see. 1 divided by 14, we can't do that. 18 divided by 14, yep, 14 goes into 18 once. And 1 times 14 is 14. And then we're going to subtract. 8 minus 4 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. Step 6 is to bring down. So now it's 42 divided by 14. How many times is 14 going to 42? 3 times. 3 times 14 is 42. And we're going to subtract, which leaves us with 0. Okay, and there's no more numbers. Since we ended with 0 and there's no more numbers here, we have nothing left to bring down. Okay, so that's it. Let's go over another one here. Find 9.6 divided by 1.2. Okay, so step 1 is to move our decimal points to the right. And it's just one spot to the right again for this problem. Sometimes it's more than one spot to the right. Oop. Just so you know. Okay. Here's my new decimal point. And then we put the decimal point on top. Okay. So let's see. 9 divided by 12. Well, we can't do that. So 96 divided by 12. How many times does 12 go into 96? That would be 8 times. Oh, gosh. Finger slipped. 8 times. Okay, and then we multiply. 8 times 12 is 96. And then we subtract. And 0. So that's it. 9.6 divided by 1.2 is 8. And that's it.